Okay, in this sample we're going to go ahead and create our Gibbs now. Before I do that though, I'm going to switch to a different color, maybe purple. And now what I'm going to do is go middle mouse button, click on Quick Layer 6 to set that current. Again, Layer 5 has my slide. Then I'll right click on Layer 6 and I'm going to call this Gibbs. Now I'm going to set current, the same plane we used to create our other sketch, and we're going to basically reproduce that process. So here I'm going to go to Sketch, create a sketch, and now what I'm going to do is go ahead and lay out what I want to use. Now here, if you want, I can go to Copy Edge and copy the edges of the geometry that I want to relate to. This will save some steps when creating relationships. Now I'm going to go to Trim, trim away what I don't need. Okay. I'm going to delete that point there. I'm going to pull it down because it seems to not be intersecting for my trim. There we go. And now I'm going to draw one more line. As you can see, I made a mistake. I clicked on a different icon. It exited out of the sketch. That's actually okay. To get back in the sketch, all I have to do is go Modify Element, select the sketch, and now I'm back inside modifying it. So I'm going to go to Line, and I'm going to draw a vertical line. We'll trim up what we don't need. Maybe we'll get rid of that side and that side. And to show you, you can change the trimming mode from Delete to Keep. Click on the side to keep. It'll trim the outside. And here, the only thing I care about on this slide is this distance, and I want it to be 3/4 of an inch. From there, I'm going to exit out of my sketch. I'm going to go to my side action elements, and I'm going to go to Gibbs. Here, I'm going to select my slide carrier, and then choose Select a Contour to define my gib. Now in the last video, when I created the extrusion of my slide carrier, I called it S. And when I defined the stroke for the actual side action, I defined it as D. Now watch what happens. I want my preview coming out over here, and then up in the prompt line I'm going to type S plus D plus maybe an extra 3/8 of an inch just for good measure. And now the length of my gib will always be the correct length, even if I go and change the length of my slide or my stroke. And now also, because I'm lazy, I'm going to choose Slide Axis Mirror to get it around the other side. Okay?